Hello guys, so today in this video we will complete DIOGO 2 and the hardware part was already complete. This time we are going to complete the software part and yeah, many parts will be voiceover and one thing guys, the next clip you see, it will be useless because mostly useless because I was trying to set up a new FTP, right, where in which I could directly access it from Visual Studio Code, the files of the um, Raspberry Pi Zero W along with its console directly in Visual Studio Code, but it's not compatible with the Raspberry Pi Zero W, so that one failed. So I would be wasting a lot of time there, so I would fast forward it. More things I will say in voiceover. For now, let's watch the first clip. That is the first part of the video where I will try this stupid thing. Bye. So hello guys. So the first thing I want to say today is there is an important thing in life. You learn something every day. So today I have learned something totally new, and of course I'm going to apply it, right? And I'm going to show you guys that. Today we are going to work on our little thing, right? Tada, DIOGO 2, this is the second part. We completed the hardware last day. By the way, many people might wonder why was the car running so slowly last day, because it was running very slowly, as I showed in the demo. I just realized one of the batteries was dead. So the 7.4 battery pack was actually producing just 3 volts. So that's the thing. Yeah, today I tested a new battery. It's giving almost 7 volts. So yeah, and this is the ESP32 cam. The powering mechanism is currently opened. We connect the USB cable to this one. So today first we are just going to reboot it with our new method. So firstly we are going to just attach this. By the way, if you wonder, I am using my phone as my mic. So yeah, yeah. So I'm just going to connect the Pi to our power bank here, and yeah, it's booting here. But now let me show you what the new thing I was talking about. So mosquito, whatever. No, that's not the new thing, don't worry. So we are just coming here, we will just come here, go to extensions. Okay, so voiceover time, the clip is running at 2x speed. So basically what I am trying to do is before this, in part 1 and before projects on previous projects on Pi Zero W, I had to use putty to access the console, shell SSH, and nano to transfer copy paste transfer codes by copy pasting them, but this would allow me to directly copy and paste files and write code directly to the Pi Zero W and access the console all in one window of the Visual Studio Code. But that didn't work out because my Raspberry Pi Zero W wasn't compatible with this remote dash SSH and the remote explorer extension of Microsoft. So I am trying everything I can, right? I actually made Visual Studio Code access my Pi Zero W, but then it didn't work because of compatibility issue. But okay, that's no worry. One more thing I wanted to tell you is my boards are very near, like just more than 1 month is left. So yeah, I won't be able to document DIOGO 2 by this time that I'm recording this voiceover. DIOGO 2 is complete, but I can't document it and edit this video too well, and also I can't work on my other projects. So sorry about that. I will do all of these stuff right after I finish with my boards. So now the compatibility issue, I will make the shocking delivery. Just now there is still a bit time left, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, yeah. I don't worry, within this video the project would be complete, but for now, bye bye. You would see my me making the shocking discovery just now. So yeah, bye. Okay. Let's see what it says. Wow, amazing stuff. Amazing guys, amazing.
the remote host. Okay guys, I will troubleshoot this and come back.
So apparently this thing does not work on the Pi. So what we will have to do is download WinSCP. So yeah, let's download this and I will be coming back. So guys, in the setup we are given two options here, Commander and Explorer. So I get what's happening here. One, there will only be a Windows Explorer type with the local directory, but here both will be there, like but yeah, I think I should choose Explorer. So yeah, it's installing the stuff. Yes, why not? Okay, Pi is only what we need. Okay, I don't have money, so I unfortunately can't donate. Sorry guys. Password is just join, man, please. Thank you, bro. So guys, it's hot, so let me open this. So finally we have connected to the FTP server of this thing and we can finally edit the code. So that's nice. Now let's open a VS Code directory, I guess. Just name DIOGO2 and transfer our files from DIOGO1. That is our first project there. Why not, right? So I'll be right back. Hello guys, so I have done the work and let me show it to you. I have opened it in VS Code and this is our old code. If you have been watching the series, which you have probably not, you would know this. So yeah, this is the code, which we have to change a lot of things here though. So let's get to work, I guess. We will also need to import the latest thing from here, DIOGO2 4.py, and not copy. Let's copy this and then paste it here. We can't paste it like this, I guess. Let's paste it here. What? Okay. Yeah, why not? Okay. Wow, that's actually pretty good, you know, that I like it. So this is what we have designed it, and I'm going to show it to you too, so do not worry. Python /diogo2.py. This time it's a lot very hard, so it will be a bit hard to control on the table, but I will try my best. So let's control it from here, right? Not 3 man, it's 4. I am a dumb freak. Python DIOGO2 /4.py. So as you can see, it's working pretty good, not gonna lie. So let me turn it like this. Oh my god. So as you guys can see, it's pretty evident that it works pretty good. But now there is a problem. Of course there is. Is there anything in our life where there is no problem? There is not. So where did that go? Huh? Where did my ESP32 cam go, bro? Yeah, here it is. So this little module may be really good. What the hell? 1 second, guys. Huh? What? What the hell? Okay, it's working, never mind. So I was smelling a burning thing, probably from anywhere else. So as I was going to say, this module may be pretty good, but the problem is Where did that go? Yeah, the way I am using the webcam. So the problem is to transfer the image from here to here. First of all, the image quality is the worst. Second of all, the latency is a lot. Third of all, it may cause problems because the network is not always available, and plus LAN IP location. The thing is very unreliable. So we have two options: either use a standard webcam like this one, or we have another option. We can just use it as a wired version, like attaching the GPIO pins to the GPIO pins of the pipe. So according to me, a webcam would be better. Even we can turn this into a webcam, right? So yeah, that's what we are going to do, and that's it. So yeah, what else should I say? We can develop something like, we have to create something which can which will allow the AI to actually control the car, which I will use the whole thing only, like left 1 to 3 will angle will reduce by 10, blah blah blah, everything will be the same, but this thing will be different. Also, I am facing a problem which that capture.jpg is creating multiple versions of itself, like capture 1, capture 2. Using a webcam, we can directly take the thing, So basically, let me show you this. I was talking about this, I forgot to switch the mode. So basically, I'm talking about this code we can reuse. Right 1 to 3, left 1 to 3. I have told the AI to give left 1 to 3, right 1 to 3. We can along with this, we will have to give two commands, one command actually, only forward. My plan is to turn these off, like so. Forward means it will do this, and after some time it will just turn off. So time the sleep 2 seconds, for example, and then off. So that's my plan for this thing. So yeah, that's it for this clip, I guess, right? Thank you for watching, and yeah, bye bye. Hello guys, this is another clip, right? Yes, old me, this is a clip, but our viewers here are not going to watch that because your work was useless. So for the next, how much, I guess 30 to 40 minutes, I tried to do another thing, right, which I will tell you, but yeah, the whole thing was unsuccessful, and that's why the whole clip is running at 500 times. So what I tried to do was use AI. I don't really use AI in my videos, as you guys can see in my past videos, but this time the code was very difficult, so I was using AI, and I am admitting that I don't lie on my videos, guys. Whatever. So what I was trying to do was a very complex task, because the wireless part, right, wireless part of wireless transfer of image data from ESP32 to CAM to Pi0W is a very difficult thing, right? So what I tried to do here was make the whole process wired by UART. Then I also tried USB, but both processes wasn't applicable because the image data was too large to be transferred over just a few wires. So yeah, also the webcam mode was also very useless. So at the end, I just had to stick with my original thing, in which I did the whole thing through wire, but I made improvements, as you will see in the later parts. But yeah, the whole thing is very useless. I think I should have sped it up even more than 500 times, but here we are, right? So yeah, I worked so hard on this one, but it didn't work. I guess, you know what, I will crank it up to maybe by the way, it's running at 505%, so 5.05x. I will crank it up to a bit more. I will come back. Bye. Okay, so now the clip is running at 7.7 times speed, because Ronaldo is the GOAT. It's running at 7.71, but whatever. So yeah, there was so much wiring involved, so much code uploading, but it was all useless. But it teaches us something, right? Because if I didn't face this, I wouldn't be able to figure out a new error that can be occurred during the uploading process. And I told you guys that in my uploading tutorial. So yeah, and also the new methods that I discovered myself while I was doing this, that you will find out, right? That is the static IP and direct base 64. But yeah, I figured that out while failing, right? So you have to fail in life to do something good. So yeah, exactly that. So yeah, still I hope you guys enjoyed this montage. I don't think you did, because I myself didn't. I'm just suffering in this video, and the future me is watching. So yeah, that is what happened. I will meet you directly in the new clip. Bye. Hello guys, so another clip. So today we are going to complete the work that we started yesterday, but we got scammed by an AI. So basically, recap, we asked ChatGPT to get a way of transferring the image data from ESP32CAM to Pi0W using a WARD method. But our ChatGPT first gave us method using UART, right? Using the TXRX pins. But then ChatGPT decided to say that no, I have suffered this person enough. Now I will tell him the truth. And then what he said? He said that this ain't gonna work. So he basically said that the large data like images are close to impossible and very unreliable when transferring through WARs, like because we are only using mainly two WARs for transfer, and it will take around 6 seconds. This he didn't tell, I researched. 6 seconds for one frame to transfer. So that's not good. So let me take this out. Yeah. So what we are going to do now here, we are going to use the wireless method only, but this time with multiple changes. So I have asked the AI again, firstly to give me a method by which this can happen. It can be set to a static IP, because the two problems that we faced, one is base 64, we were first downloading the image, which was very unreliable, and then we were actually turning it to base 64, which was taking a lot of time, and there were many errors that could be faced. Also the IP changed of this ESP32CAM, so these two problems were faced by us, but this time we are going to change things. So what change are we going to bring? First of all, a static IP. Second of all, we will directly create a base 64 from our One second, guys. Yeah, so from our we will directly create a base 64 from our IP. So let's get started. Let me open the ChatGPT chat that we will use for today. Because actually, guys, I don't usually use ChatGPT in my projects, but this time I don't have any option because I am not so good in C++. I mainly code in Python, you know. So guys, this let's open the code that we are going to modify first. Yeah, so we will just go to here. 1 second. I'm just going to open the directory, right, because that's necessary, of course. Yeah, so here camera web server, we are working on this, but this time we are going to do this v2, because v2, the version 2 is what we are making. So yeah, hello guys. Yeah, my voice is coming, I guess. Let me check it. Hello. Yeah, so camera web server v2, this will also be named to v2, and then we can edit this file, I am pretty sure. Yeah, so firstly what what he said is we will have to do, you know, after this we will have to put this block of code. So I will happily do that. Okay, so this much, that block of code I saw I will have to put in void setup. I'm not blind, okay. Fortunately, I mean, sorry. Fortunately, I'm not blind. So serial is already begun. Serial just said debug output is made true. Println is done. This thing only we will have to do, I guess. Okay. So we can just do it right after this, right? Yeah. So I guess that's it. Now we can go through the large process of uploading the code. Oh no, never mind. I just realized my gateway is 0.100. Let me check it once, guys. 1 second. Okay, so I didn't actually analyze it. I just copied all the details to a notepad, and let's do this together. So IPv4 address, this is my PC's IPv4 address. This is the default gateway, and I think I guessed correctly. Yeah, that's what I was saying. So next, local IP. Local IP, let's set it to 0.200 because our pi is in 20, so it will be easy to remember or something, I guess. Subnet is right, that's also right. Okay, so we can just upload the code right now. Rover module is what we will need to select. Then we will have to do some changes here, like huge app. Then we will have to do 80. I think this will be 80 only. Done. This will be 115200. I am pretty sure. If not, I will just check my video which I uploaded. Right. So, oh no, I am dumb. I am so dumb, bro. GPIO 0 and the ground will be IO 0 will be have to set to low, which is ground. Right? Okay, I have done it. No problem. And then while it's uploading, we will have to press reset once. That I discovered only yesterday when I was creating the last clip. So yeah, So it was uploading, guys, right? And I pressed reset button. So the blue flashlight that happens here, it blinks at first. After we press reset, it starts to stay steady, and that's what we need. So cool. So after writing, I will resume the video. Okay, guys, I also realized we need to turn on our Pi, right? So let's do that. Okay, it has set, it is booting now. So guys, it's almost done, right? Yeah. Now we will just open the GPIO to 0var. Wait 1 second. Why is the Pi? Okay, it's booting, it's just taking some time. No problem, guys, it's no issue. Serial monitor, let's press reset once and see what happens. Static IP configured, and the module has connected to the IP address we set, static IP, right? Oh, why is it resetting? Let's hope it does not do that again. Okay, now. So, yeah, so it's working and it's not resetting. So I think that was just a one-time thing, right? Slash capture is also coming, I guess, because that's what we will actually need. So yeah, perfect, absolutely perfect. Now we will need to do the rest of the work on putty. So let's see. Firstly, let's go to VS Code. Yes, guys, I have opened VS Code, the directory that we were using actually, and here we will create base64. No, we can't do that. Image.py. Okay, now we will go to ChatGPT, and he had given me the thing, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so this is the last time we use ChatGPT, guys. And yeah, it will just be 0. And yeah, done. We don't have to use ChatGPT anymore. Now, one thing that I learned last time, we can power this. No, we won't need a OTG cable. We can just use, okay, 1 second, guys. I can do this without opening the cover, but I will do it just for formalities, right? So we will do it like this. We will have to maintain steady connection, right? Now we can open the OTG cable, I'm pretty sure, without disrupting the Pi. Yeah, nice. Now we can again do our business here. Firstly, we have to pass these two wires from the bottom. Very nice. And now we will just need to, oh my god, it just had to happen, didn't it? It just had to happen. No problem, guys. Problems are faced by every, oh no, what the heck. Okay, no problem. I mean, it is a problem, but you get me. Oh my god, the screw is stuck here. Okay, no problem. Now we will just screw it in, and we will try to connect putty again. Okay, that's ready. Now we will also need to connect WinSCP. right? Now like this password will be login. Yes. Now yeah, we are in. Very good. Inside DIOGO 2 only, that's what we need. Very good. And I'm pretty sure this is also good, right? We can first try it here also. Oh, how it will. Bro, am I dumb or something, man? I have not powered it. I am running the code, man. Oh my god. Okay, powered in. If I press reset here, right? If I press reset, yeah, this bulb is glowing, and I just realized what I did till now you guys couldn't see. Amazing stuff. And I think the connection broke again because the LED is blinking. Oh no, we are broken. Man, I hate this. Oh man. Okay, no problem. First, let me try this, right? This code. Yeah, so the base 64 characters have been printed here, right? And now we will just need to connect PuTTY and SCP again. Yeah, good job. Now we will have to go here, go to DIOGO to image, we will have to carry here, right? Reconnect. Yeah, image is here. Very good. Now we will go to PuTTY, cd, DIOGO to Python, image.py. Yeah, that's very good, right? That's very good. And yeah, that's really good. So guys, that's it for today, I guess, right? That was quick, man. So what we did, we accomplished our two things. Now we can just do it wirelessly. We can do it wirelessly, guys. So we can transfer image from the Pi to the Raspberry Pi, from the ESP32 cam to the Raspberry Pi flawlessly, wirelessly, because the 32 cam has a static IP, the Pi has a static IP, and the base 64 from the URL of the ESP32 cam IP address / capture, we are getting the base 64 directly using this code. What more do we need? Next episode we will just send it to Gemini, use it in our old code. Done. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Actually, no, wait, I have something else to say. As I was saying, another thing, it's not saving any files, so no duplicacy was the problem that was happening last time. That image 1, image 2, it was creating like that. No image file is being saved in here, so that problem ain't gonna occur. Bye bye. So hello guys, today might just be the big day, and today might be the day that we will complete this project that has been a dream for me. This is one of the biggest projects. I will not say biggest again because that's what I've been saying for the last 3 projects, because it's been an exponential growth. But mosquito guys. Yeah, today might be the final day of building, because only the final logic code is left, right? Apart from that, everything is done. Let me just tell you guys, summarize it, what has been done and what will we do today. So firstly, the hardware setup was done using relay modules. The pi is giving signals to the relay, which are turning on or off the two motors on each sides. So when both relays are set to high, the car is moving forward. If one is set to high, the car is moving like this way. If this one is set to high, the car is moving like this way. So this is how it's working. It's controlled by a pi. There is also an ESP32 cam for camera feed, and it's powered by two 18650 batteries. This is the hardware setup. Then we in the first another clip we figured out how to use WinSCP, which is a FTP file explorer for accessing and removing files of the pi. We can also add files. Then we found out the old code from our DIOGO 1. Then we tried to implement UART, like a WARD method, to transfer the images from ESP32 cam to the pi, but that failed miraculously. So yeah, the WARD method failed. So but from that we learned to deliver power to the ESP32 cam in a new way. That was the plus. Then because after that we figured it out that the image data will have to be transferred wirelessly. So to do that, we did two things that we improved from last time, because last time also we were using the wireless method, but there were some errors that we encountered. So first error was the IP kept changing of the ESP32 cam, so it was causing errors for accessing the data. This was not that big of a problem, because I knew that time also that static IP could be set, but the thing that I didn't know that I was capturing it, because I made the code by myself. I was capturing the image and saving it, but I didn't need to do that because I only needed the base 64 data. So I was stupid that time, but for the static IP part and the direct base 64 part, these two I made with AI. So yeah, static IP I could do myself also, but direct base 64 I didn't know that. I just prompted my ChatGPT and I figured it out that directly from the /capture IP we can get the base 64 data. So that would eliminate all of our problems, and today we are going to build the final code. So that will be really good, and the final code will be made, and yeah, that would help us a lot, right? So firstly we will just make the code, then we will power our DIOGO, and we will test it out and troubleshoot. So that's the plan for today, guys. But for now I will just switch my scene. This is our DIOGO 2. So these were the codes that we made. This is the old code from DIOGO 1. This is the direct base 64 code, and I'm pretty sure this is the controlling code, right? So yeah, this was made in hardware part. So yeah, now we will create our main.py. I'm getting goosebumps by creating this file. So this will be with the file where our main thing will be. So let's get started. So firstly we will import all of our libraries. I think the libraries that were here, that would be enough, right? Because here also we didn't need image.py and 4.py. okay, 4.py we didn't need anything else, right? And image.py we needed request that we have. So these are all the libraries that we would need, nothing extra, so that's good. Yeah, now we will set these things. Okay, actually what we can do, right? So I'm not trying to do this because it will start the motors at the very beginning, but I don't want that. Yeah, I don't need to do that because I'm setting it to out in everything, so these two can be ignored. And anyway, when I run this code, the motors automatically start. But if you wonder why are we switching from out to in, there is a problem with the pi or my pi module or the relay module. It can't work with just setting it to low or high. So to set it to high, low, right, to set the relay to closed position. By the way, I am doing this is low for high and high for low. My relay module is switched. I could fix the wiring, but I am too lazy to do that. So yeah, so low means high. To set the relay modules, basically to open the circuit and stop the motors, I will need to set the GPIO mode to in, and to turn on that motors, those motors, we will have to set the mode to out, and then set the output to low. So that's the thing, but that doesn't really matter for us right now, because oh no, what I did, okay, sorry. Yeah, so we will do this first, right? Then what will we do is we will also do these stuff, right? Then we will start defining the functions after we are done with the variable definitions. Nothing else here. We will need these stuff. Angle we will not need, thankfully, but data.txt we will have to make one of those. Okay, so that's good. Next we can just start defining the functions, because these prompt we can do that later. So yeah, API key and URL also we will need actually. Oh no, okay. So let's just start defining the functions. Firstly, we will have to define off. Why I am telling you, by the way, what's the reason behind that, I will tell you, don't worry. So next we will have to do on. We can do these, I guess, delete these were for testing. Okay, now what I was saying, what we can do here, right? Because AI will not be able to say, the frequency of the messages going to and fro between the pi and the AI will not be that much, so that we can do, right, the motors will keep running before the AI responds again. So we will automatically turn it off, and we will inform the AI that if you tell us this, we will turn on all the motors for this much time before turning them off again. So we will do time.sleep. We will troubleshoot this value, but for now I will just keep it 1 second. Time.sleep 1. Why am I so dumb? I could just do it for 1 off. Okay, so these three, this is irrelevant now. These three are the ones that matter. So nice, very nice. So now let's move on to our next function, which will be to get this, right? Yeah, get frame underscore base 64. We will reduce the length of the name. Get underscore frame. Okay, so nice. Now we have covered these two files, so we can close those. Now let me just look at this. So we will obviously need this data system, but I am avoiding doing that right now because that's not gonna lie, very, what can we say, very complex. That's the right word. But I will copy these two variables because that's necessary. Okay, so that's nice. Now running will be true only. Last time we gave the AI the option to quit, right? We can say if you want to quit 1 2 3, but here we will only quit when the user wants, so Control C. So that will not be required, that running variable. This will also be relevant, this will be relevant. So data equals to file.read, this will be important. After that we will have to write the prompt, obviously. Okay, so we want this to reset every time the data file, but for now, for testing purposes, I will not do that. I will do that after we figure it out, right? So this is a memory system, like introduced in ChatGPT. It's a memory system. Whether the last session would be recorded or not, will he memorize the last session or not? So that's why. Now file.write. Okay, file.write prompt, we will do that as I said. Okay, the prompt I kept it at the above section, but here I will keep it here, right? Okay, this prompt will be changed. Obviously this is the biggest part according to me, because the prompt is very 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 important, right? So yeah, I'm just looking at these to see whether I will have to change anything else or not. Def gem will be very important, so definitely bro, definitely with this I will take, right? So okay, PRN and image. By the way, these functions are made by me only. You can see the streams where I made DIOGO 1 to see how I made them. Now the time has come. The time has come to build the logic. While true, this will be the biggest part. Okay, so I think we have set up everything except the prompt, so let me do that. It will take a lot of literature, and I just came home. I came home I think 2 p.m. After giving my English exam today, so yeah, that will be used. So yeah, fine. So actually I will take inspiration from here. These are your previous your message for context. Okay, your new angles are updated. This will be different, obviously. What did I do? Oh no, what did I? Oh my god, why am I so dumb? Okay, so yeah, angle part I will just remove, right? And of course here this high, you can see the real world, the attached image is your vision. Your eye can be, no, this will be different. Okay, okay, this will be wholly different. Hi, you are a robot car. you can see at image of your view will be attached. Move, you can see image of your view will be attached. Move, okay. Move, of course. See keywords to move. Send given keywords to move. You have to explore and describe the environment. See and explore and enjoy. I don't think we need to give anything else other than the keywords, of course. Keywords. Forward 1, 2, 3. Forward. Move forward. Okay, this will be given in quotes, of course. Move forward for 1 second. Then write 1, 2, 3. RGHT 1, 2, 3. Your left two motors will run for 1 second. Then left 1, 2, 3. Your right two motors will run for 1 second. Yeah, so I think that's the final prompt. I will see if I missed anything by seeing the old prompt. Okay. Yeah, now, yeah, that one is important. Also, never output 2 or more keywords at the same output. Okay, that's fine. That's very fine. Now, okay. So, never output 2 or more keywords at the same output. This command along with other messages you send will be sent to you. If there is no message after this, you are the first time your cycle just started. Okay, so this prompt is good enough. I think mind that I said I think that shouldn't come to haunt me later, right? So now I guess it's time, right? Out equals to gem. Okay, so prompt we are not doing, right? File dot write. Okay, file dot write prompt. So file dot read, I guess. File dot read, and along with this, the other thing will be the image data returned by obviously get underscore frame. Yeah, get underscore frame. Okay, I will just check another thing, this base 64 thing, right? Okay, it's right. I just checked these and this, right? So get underscore frame out equals to gem file dot read and get underscore frame. Very nice, very nice, right? File dot output, sorry, file dot write out. Okay, no, not just like this. Yeah, like this. Now we will again copy our old logic. We didn't even do this, man. Okay, print okay, nice. Then print out. Okay, nice, very nice. Now we will do this logic, right? Oh my god, I am scared. This is looking like, very simple thing, but I am pretty sure I am doing something wrong. Yeah, just now what's left, this logic and this logic. So okay, first let me do the ending thing. Time dot sleep, let's give 2 seconds of interval for now. So it's time to write the main logic. If 4 1 2 3 in out, we will do go. What was the name? Forward, I think, right? On, okay, on right left, on right left. Elif, the other thing is RGHT, I think. RGHT 1 2 3, RGHT 1 2 3, RGHT 1 2 3, in out right. Elif left 1 2 3, in out left. Okay, I am not giving anything else print error. Okay, so now we will just check these go. I will kill the mosquito with this. You messed with the wrong guy. You messed with the seriously wrong guy. Maybe this is a high voltage generator. Okay. Now, yeah, we are shutting them off now. So guys, you know what time it is? It actually only took us 126 lines and our main code is ready. So we are going to, let me take him out. Yeah, this is our DIOGO 2, right? And we are going to turn it on at this moment. The power bank battery level is a little low, so while it's booting up, I will come back right after drinking some water. So guys, I am back after drinking some dihydrogen monoxide. So now I will just set up the WinSCP and putty, and then I will switch the scene again so that you guys can see, because why won't I see you guys see, right? Okay, so I am pretty sure, yeah, we have logged into both of the things. Now it's time to upload the main code first, because of course we will upload the main code only first. And DIOGO 2 here, WinSCP, let's open it. We are in DIOGO 2 and main.py is here. So guys, Once I will just check if whether the pi is on or not. 926,200. Yeah, so the pi stream, I think, yeah, it's coming. It's a bit slow, but that streaming speed doesn't really matter because we are taking just frames here, right? So hello guys. Which where is this? Oh, this where, right? So we are ready, huh? So let's take the slash capture view once, and then we will be done. Slash capture. Yeah, it's pretty perfect, huh? It's pretty perfect. So let me go to our putty here, and let me go to cd DIOGO 2 ls, and if we do python main.py, we might be actually done. But okay, I am excited for this. Man. I am so my my maths homework fell here. Oh my god. Okay. So next we will actually first place my mic phone here, my thing here, and this sanitizer bottle here just as a prop. So I will check the view once again, slash capture, and okay, not like this. So okay, now I think it's time to press enter here. You guys are watching this, I am watching this, and it's time to execute. Okay, I actually, when this happens, I'm not that scared because I think I know how to do this. So for this type of things, we will have to create a test1.py, and we will just give an example prompt there. Ooh la la, def gem. First we will copy this. Oh no, everything is not that easy, huh? Import. Is that because why did I open perplexity? Yeah, that may be because this was open, but let's see. Import requests, right? Then we will do gem. Where is gem? Here it is. So then we will do this, then we will do gem describe, then we will do get underscore frame. Okay, actually that rings a bell. Did I do? Yeah. Okay, so now we will do these things. We will do print here, and at the above we will describe our variables. Import base 64. So now we will just send this over to the pi. Wait, why did I send this? Am I dumb? Let me send test one. No, oh, it is there. Okay, so python test1.py. Okay, fine. Nano test1.py. I will just make it print the whole data. Now let's see what he says. Because if it returns an error, I swear, man. Your API key was reported as leaked. Okay. Well, that's a problem easy to solve, so I will be right back. I understand why, because I have used it on YouTube a couple of times before, so that may be the reason. So one second, guys. Okay, guys, so I am back with another this thing. So I won't need to test this again. I will just test, the main code. But just in case, I will update this also, and I will upload these two new versions of these codes there. Yes. Now we will just run the main code, and it's time for our big moment again. Okay, let's see. Okay, that means here is a breakdown of what can be seen. The image appears to be in the foreground left, a large rectangular. Okay, so it saw my this thing. Okay. Okay, so it obviously made some errors because of the low image quality. We can improve that later by setting the settings of the ESP32cam/capture. I know how to do that, but for testing this is okay. And another thing, it didn't output keyword. So that's the thing. I think he's pretty dumb. Also never output 2 or more, but make sure to output one of these 3 keywords, because you have to move every cycle. Okay, so that's okay. And now we will just upload main.py again in SCP, not here. Oh no. Yes. Now, and we will also delete data.txt. Now we will run main.py. Okay. I made the thing pretty clear, right? The window, there is a window, so it guessed that one correctly. But again, this guy, what the hell, man? Why are you like this? And I also realized I need to put a cooling fan on the ESP32 because it's really hot. So, okay, keywords to move, please contain one of these 3 in your output, because you have to move. Okay, now we will do that again, because that's our job basically now. And now we will run the code again and see what happens. I just hope it moves, man. Maybe first time he doesn't move, maybe second time. He doesn't move again, bro. Are you dumb? Or are you dumb? Okay, so I guess we will have to take help of AI to make AI understand. One second. So I am in ChatGPT, right? I will just give him my original code. This is my code, and the prompt when sent, AI doesn't, Gemini doesn't output any keyword. Make a better prompt. I think only an AI, and I think an AI can understand an AI. Okay. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this actually he made the prompt very nicely. I will listen to this thing later, I guess. So I will just attach this new better prompt. And I will upload this here. Yes. Bye. Done. Here, come here. Python main.py. This thing. Done. Again. Bro, what is your problem, man? What is this guy's problem? Nano. Let's see. No, this is done only. This is what the output. Why? Actually, before he says anything, I think I know. But one second, just 1 second, guys. I need to check one thing. Nano data.txt. Yeah, it's fine. Only this is going to that guy, right? I am putting logs after this only. Okay. Let me first keep this prompt. One thing might happen. No, Why cannot? Let's do one thing, just okay. Wait 1 second. Oh my god, okay. We can just directly pass prompt here. But first, let me do one thing. Forward for 1 second. Right, left motors on for 1 second. Right motors on for 1 second. Okay. Eh? No, I am not. Are you dumb or something? I am not, giving the prompt 100 times. No, I am not, as I said. But still, I am just going to keep prompt here. Let's see what happens this time. This time, this should work, man. If this doesn't work now, I don't know how will it work in any time. rm data.txt now python main.py. Just move now, just move. Come on, you can move. Okay, what happened now? What? Forefront view obscured by dark object with the horizontal surface and came is visible. Okay, now now he gave left 1 2 3. So he wanted to move left. That's very nice. But track back. I am very excited, guys. So let's track back. And this thing. What's this? I can fix it now, but I'm too tired at this point, man. I'm so dumb. He doesn't know which one to follow, BCM or board. I'm so dumb. Bro, here, see, the thing is, oh my god. The thing is, see, here, 4.py, I set it here, right? I set it here, but I thought I would not copy this. I told you the reason to that at the first. But then I ignored this also. And this tells whether it will follow the BCM scheme or the board scheme. So here, let me show you. Yeah, here, will he follow the 1 equals to 3 volt 3, 2, 3 equals to GPIO 2? Or will he follow just the GPIO 2 means 2? That's the thing. Okay. But you learn something new every day, don't worry. So, at least it's fixed now. Oh my god, okay. And then he put left 1 2 3, so that's very nice. And finally our project, I think, is ready, guys. Yes. And now I can do python main.py and watch it move, hopefully. Oh my god! But wait a second, why does write 1 2 3 say? Oh my god, okay, so okay, thank you can leave now. So it worked. As you guys saw there, it works, guys. It actually works. Oh my god, so DIOGO 2 is alive. Oh my god, that took a long time. 45 minutes, I think this is the longest recording I've ever done. And one thing, why does left 1 2 3 go right, and doesn't matter honestly, guys. It doesn't matter. Oh my god. Okay, that's for future troubleshooting. If I run for a long time, I will understand if they are just inverted because here he said left 1, 2, 3, right? And 1 second. Yeah, so here he said right 1, 2, 3, and it moved left. So we can after that, if in any message he said left and it actually moved right, then I would know it has inverted, and I will just change the code, just invert the code. But that doesn't matter. The thing is, it's working, and it's giving pretty good, pretty good descriptions too. Low light condition detected, a luminous display. This is my monitor. High elevation, because obviously it's high elevation, duh. And large flat surface. This is my cabinet. Oh my god. Oh my god, it has worked. It has worked. After so many days, DIOGO 2 is alive, and I am proud to say that. Goodbye. So, that's it for this series, guys. Thank you for coming along. Bye bye. So hello guys, so today this is the third attempt of the demo video for DIOGO 2, and let's see if this is the final attempt or not. Hopefully it is. So this is the camera view of DIOGO 2, as you can see here. The camera view from the ESP32 cam present there. Let me close this now and let's open the code. So Python DIOGO2 /main.py. So now when we run this code, let's wait for a while. And as you can see, it moved that way because it's saying detecting an upright yellow object directly ahead, indicating an obstruction. This is referring to the yellow bottle here. And then when he saw the chair, it's saying detected large desk obstacle directly ahead. Vertical structures present on the sides, which is referring to this, so he moved this way. And now he is moving this way. Obstacles detected directly ahead and to the left, including a shoe, which is this thing. And now he's saying detecting floor and multiple vertical structural elements ahead, which is referring to the desk legs. And now he's saying obstacle detected directly ahead, human foot, which is obviously referring to my foot, and chair rest, which is this one, path dot. And he's finally moving forward because low visibility ahead, because obviously he's referring to this way, and he wanted to go forward. So that's it, guys. He will explore there right now. And if you come closer here, these are all the logs that I will be attaching in the description. And thank you for watching this demo video of DIOGO Explorer. And this was the last attempt. And yeah, the project is a huge success. He is exploring the downsides there. He will probably stop now because there is darkness there. But yeah, this project is a success. Bye bye. So firstly, guys, I want to wish you a very happy new year. I truly hope you have a greater year ahead, but let's talk business. This will be one of the last versions of DIOGO, but not the last, because there will be a V3 where I already have some improvements in my mind, like better AI integration, better user interface, and a flashlight, because clearly he's having difficulty seeing dark places. And I have some applications in my mind which will require it to have great visibility. One of the biggest application that I have in my mind is post disaster analysis. Like after a disaster has taken place, a natural disaster like earthquake or I don't know, volcano eruption, it can look out for survivors and other factors, right? So that's one of the things that have come across my mind. and also thank you for being with me in this journey where I created a robot. Right, so thank you. The logs were, the demo video when it was taking place, what he said is attached in the description, and you can check that out. But for now, bye bye.